Hello folks, and welcome back to the Speed Shack. It's once again cold, because it's still winter. When the hell is summer going to arrive? Make my vests back out. So in today's video, we are starting to smooth this engine bay, and we are going to put a chamfer down the driver's side chassis leg so we can create room for the turbo. Because it's massive and we need to clearance the chassis leg to fit it. Because that's what you do, right? As you can see, I put an awful lot of hardener into that filler. It is really cold in here. It's only about 3 degrees or so. It will take that filler quite a while to harden off. Whilst it's hardening, what we don't want to be doing is grinding and welding near it and then embedding bits of steel in it, which will rust and could contaminate through the paint and all that kind of crap. So we're going to call it a day there, and in the next video we'll pick up where we've left off and we'll finish up welding strut tower reinforcement plates and all kinds of shite like that into the car. We'll also get a little bit of rust treatment on the go, because the near side front wing has some old patches of rust on it, and whilst we can get the wire wheel on them and really wire wheel it off, it does help if you can treat that rust and convert it into a non-reactive substance, something other than rust that isn't going to carry on progressing through the panel. So we're going to keep on plugging away at the E30, so please be sure to subscribe to the channel, and that way you'll be notified when the next video comes up, which will be soon, all being well. So thank you once again, folks, and see you soon.